Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Delta Emulator. First, understand that Delta Emulator is designed for classic console games, not direct PC versions of Minecraft. To begin, you will need to acquire a game file, commonly known as a ROM, that is compatible with one of Delta's supported systems. Make sure your device has at least 2 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Next, focus on finding game files that offer a similar block building experience or are fan-made ports for systems like the Nintendo DS or Game Boy Advance. It is crucial to check that the file format, such as NDS or GBA, is compatible with Delta. Remember to always acquire game files through legal and ethical means to respect creators' rights. Once you have a compatible game file, transfer it to your device's Files application. Then, open the Delta Emulator and tap the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Navigate to where you saved your game file and select it for import. After a brief moment, the game will appear in your Delta library, ready for you to launch and enjoy. To optimize your gameplay, explore Delta's settings. You can fine-tune video and audio options to improve performance, especially on older devices. Customize the on-screen controls to suit your preferences, perhaps adjusting button sizes or placement. For a truly immersive experience, consider connecting an external Bluetooth controller, which offers superior precision and comfort during extended play sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.